working with the Creo Elements project and encountered a TGT file in the assembly data. This is a precision reference file used in advanced CAD modeling workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these target files contain and how to use them within your design environment. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky TGT file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. TGT files are target definition files created by Creo. Elements Direct formerly CoCreate a 3D CAD direct modeling application from PTC. They store geometric target references, datum points, coordinate systems and alignment targets used for assembly positioning measurement operations and manufacturing reference definitions within 3D mechanical design projects. TGT files are target definition files created by Creo Elements Direct, formerly CoCreate a 3D CAD direct modeling application from PTC. They store geometric target references, datum points, coordinate systems and alignment targets used for assembly positioning measurement operations and manufacturing reference definitions within 3D mechanical design projects. Creo Elements Direct Modeling from PTC offers a certified solution for the TGT file type. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows can't process advanced CAD features, so thorough review requires a compatible design tool. We're checking the integrity against known readers. Right-click your TGT file and click Open With. If Creo Elements Direct Modeling is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. You need to test widely. If your TGT file isn't cooperating, don't worry. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, opening in Creo Elements are direct. Launch Creo Elements, Direct Modeling, and open the TGT file through File. Then open or load it as part of an assembly project. The target definitions appear in the model workspace as reference geometry overlaid on the 3D assembly. Use the navigation tree to browse and select individual target elements for inspection or editing. Next, inspecting target properties. Select individual targets within Creo Elements to view their geometric properties, including position coordinates, orientation vectors, and associated tolerance values. Use the measurement tools to verify target placements relative to model geometry. Export target coordinate data to spreadsheet format for documentation or CMM inspection programming. Finally, exporting target data. Export target definitions from Creo Elements by saving the assembly to STEP or IGES format, which preserves datum and reference geometry for exchange with other CAD platforms. For manufacturing use, export target coordinates as a report or CSV file for import into coordinate measuring machine programming software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.